Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing this teal eyeshadow look today. It is like a shimmer teal and I figured this looked really December, like Christmas party appropriate, and I like the vibe of it. It just seems like if you want to get outside of the normal reds and greens and golds and red lips, then this would be a kind of Christmas party look for you. I do have everything that I used on my face today listed in my description box below, but the main thing I think that pulled this look off, or the main item, was this new Too Faced Life is a Festival palette. Well, it's new to me. I know it's been out there and it's discontinued now, but I just recently got it from TJ Maxx for, I forgot, what, $24.99? And it was originally, I think, a $40 eyeshadow palette, and I was going to save it for a giveaway, but I really loved this Dawn Teal, like Dusk Teal Dawn color. So I really wanted to use that because it looked very festive, like a Christmas festive look. I know it's a unicorn thing, but I don't know. It just really popped out to me. And I also used the Young and Free for my blush, which is a little too pigmented for a blush, especially for my light skin. But if you do got darker skin, you can totally pull it off a lot easier than me. I had to put powder over it after I used it. You can tell it's a little pigmented, but I'm really happy with it. And I also used Unicorn Tears as my highlight today. And I used it in the inner corners. And let's see, I did use, I think, maybe a little bit of Desert Vibes as like a transition color or a blending color. And I believe that's all I've played with today, and this was the first time opening it. And if you was wondering if you wanted this palette or not, I say get it. I mean, look, and I don't really, I mean, sometimes I get adventurous just on YouTube on my eyeshadow looks, but this one is just so beautiful, and it's, I mean, look at it. It's just so pretty. It really has the, like, artistic vibes. It brings it out in me. I mean, look at these colors. They're just, I mean, how can you not have fun with this palette? And the packaging is cushy. But yeah, if I see it at TJ Maxx again, I will purchase another one for a future giveaway. But this was hard to find for me. Like, I looked for like a good month or two for this one palette, and this was the only one that I found that was actually still in the box and not swatched or anything. So I'm happy that I found it, and I hope I can find another one for one of you guys so I can do it in a future giveaway. I just couldn't resist the urge of opening this one and trying it out. So sorry you guys, this one's mine, but I will be on the lookout for you guys. Speaking of giveaway, I do have a current giveaway going on right now. It's like retail value of like over $300 worth of products, and I will have like a card at the beginning of this video, plus I will have an end card at the end of this video, and I also have it linked in my description box. All of that is be easy for you to see the giveaway that I got going on right now. It's a Christmas giveaway. It ends Christmas Day, so one of you lucky subscribers of mine will get to win. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I used the products and what I used and how I used them on my face today, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start off with is using this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. And I'm going to go in with my Revolution Tropical Paradise palette, and I'm using the coconut cream color to set the brow bone, and then I'm going in with the Isle of Spice color to be a transition color, and then I also use the Midnight Stroll off the same palette, And now I'm using the LA Colors Conceal Correct as an eyeshadow primer, and then going in with the Too Faced Life is a Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm going into the inspiration color, which is called Dusk Till Dawn. And then I'm also using the Desert Vibes as a transition color, and going back in to the other palette and using LashBOSS. I'm using my Shea Moisture Beauty Wipes just to clean up the mess, and then using the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, and then going in with my Wilder Powder and the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, then the Bronze Booster from Physicians Formula, then the JOAH Selfie Ready setting spray to kind of lock that in, and then going back in with the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette, and I'm using Unicorn Tears as a highlighter, and then going in with the Young and Free as a blush, setting more of that JOAH setting spray, then doing my Bare Minerals lip gloss in Groovy, then back in with the Too Faced eyeshadow palette, and going back in with the Dusk Till Dawn on my lower lash line, and then I'm blending it out really quick, and going in with the inner corners of the eye with the Unicorn Tears, back in with that Midnight Stroll, and then going in with the Kiss True Volume Lashes with the Duo Lash Glue and the Laura Geller LashBOSS Mascara. Alright, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this Too Faced Life is a Festival eyeshadow palette was my inspiration today for this teal shimmer or glitter eyeshadow look that could be very appropriate for a Christmas party or pretty much any time for me. I think it's appropriate. I don't really care. So it's an off day. I can go all out with my makeup. But yeah, if you wanted to get out of the normal reds, greens, and golds for your Christmas party look, this is a teal look for you. And it's like a smoky eye too, so it'll be appropriate for night. Even though this is day for me, but it'd be appropriate for your Christmas party at night. But yeah, I'm not that good at makeup, and I think this eyeshadow looks awesome, and it was pretty easy to achieve. So I showed you just recently in the earlier clips on what I did to achieve this look. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to enter that giveaway I have going on my channel right now. It is like a retail value of over $300 worth of products. So don't forget to check out the end card, or in my description box it's also listed, and also on a little note card at the beginning of this video. So just click on one of those to see my giveaway or my last recent videos. It'll be in there somewhere. You can find it pretty easily, the giveaway, the Christmas giveaway, and it does end on Christmas Day, so you have plenty of time to enter up. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on that video, and it also helps every video that I post after that giveaway video. If you comment on my future videos, this video, everything like that, it also it gets your chances up, because I will be seeing if you're a loyal subscriber of mine when I do pick the winner. So yeah, if you liked this eyeshadow look and you enjoy my little tutorials, then give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.